us take you through the charges and the counter that has come from the Adani Group. So the first charge is that more than $250 million in bribery was promised, and the Adani, and this statement that has come from the group is that all the allegations are baseless, and the group has denied all these allegations. The charge number 2 is that Adani Green misled exchanges, and the counter in a statement that has come from Adani Group is that the charges merely are allegations, and this is all is in the realm of allegation right now. The charge 3 is that the investors were defrauded, and the counter that has come is that the Adani Group is strongly committed to transparency, and the charge 4 is that bribes were in fact paid for securing contracts, and Adani has countered by saying that we are a law-abiding organization. Charge 5th is that attempts to conceal bribery conspiracy were made by the Adani Group, and the counter that has come is that Adani Group is committed to regulatory compliance. These are all the charges and the counter charge, in fact, the counter that has come from the Adani Group. Now, in the wake of the US Justice Department's allegation, the opposition parties, in fact, as far as Rahul Gandhi is concerned, he has called for the arrest of Gautam Adani and a joint parliamentary committee, that is JPC probe, into this entire matter. Now, Gandhi has also accused the Prime Minister of shielding Adani, claiming that despite being linked to multiple scandals, the Prime Minister protected the business tycoon. Leaders from the India bloc have also waded in, and they have also echoed Gandhi's call of arrest, amplifying the criticism against Adani as well as the central government. Listen into all the reactions that is coming from the India bloc.
अदानी जी का अरेस्ट होना चाहिए, आज अरेस्ट होना चाहिए। माधवी बुच जो हैं, जो उनकी प्रोटेक्टर हैं, जिन्होंने कोई इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं किया, उनको हटाया जाना चाहिए, उन पर इन्वेस्टिगेशन होना चाहिए। जेपीसी की मांग हमारी है, बट हम चाहते हैं कि अदानी जी को एकदम अरेस्ट किया जाए, और हम जानते हैं और हम देश को दिखाना चाहते हैं कि अदानी जी की अरेस्ट नहीं होगी, और इसलिए नहीं होगी क्योंकि हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री अदानी जी के पीछे खड़े हुए हैं और उनके प्रोटेक्टर हैं।
जिस तरीके से आरोप सिद्ध हुए हैं, कन्विक्शन हुआ है, इंडाइटमेंट हुआ है, काश अगर हमारी खुद की इन्वेस्टिगेटिव एजेंसीज जब इस तरीके की रिपोर्ट सामने आई थी उस पर इन्वेस्टिगेशन करते, फ्री एंड फेयर मैनर में करते हैं। एक जो कॉर्पोरेट गवर्नेंस की बात करते हैं, कॉर्पोरेट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी की बात करते हैं, कॉर्पोरेट अकाउंटेबिलिटी की बात करते हैं, उसको ध्यान में रखकर अगर इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट पे कोई कार्रवाई इन द सेंस कि उनसे कहें नियम कानूनों का पालन करें, पर हमने देखा कैसे एजेंसीज भी उनको डिफेंड करने में लगी हुई थी। सेबी आज तक उन पे आरोप नहीं सिद्ध कर पाई है, बल्कि दूसरे कोर्ट्स में वो आरोप सिद्ध हो गए हैं।
पूरे दुनिया में अडानी ग्रुप ने भारत का नाम मिट्टी में मिलाने में अपनी भूमिका निभाई है। बहुत ही गंभीर मामला है। जितने भी मामले अब तक के पेंडिंग हैं, सबकी जांच सुप्रीम कोर्ट की मॉनिटरिंग में एक जांच एजेंसी के द्वारा कराई जानी चाहिए, और जो भी भ्रष्टाचार उन्होंने कर रखा है देश के अंदर और देश के बाहर, उसका सच देश के सामने आना चाहिए और उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए।
And meanwhile, a strong reaction has come from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Their leaders have launched a blistering attack on Rahul Gandhi and the Congress Party for trying to damage Indian markets through this propaganda. The party also questioned why Congress-led state governments had welcomed investment from the Adani Group if the allegations were true. Now, BJP leaders further dismissed the attack on Prime Minister Narendra Modi, saying that it was nothing new as the Congress Party has been targeting him since 2002. Listen in.
ये पूरा मामला जुलाई 2021 से फरवरी 2022 के बीच का है। स्वाभाविक रूप से ये चारों राज्य जिसका जिक्र डॉक्यूमेंटेशन में सामने आया है, यूएस में सामने आया है, उन चारों राज्य में ना तो हमारे मुख्यमंत्री थे और ना ही हमारी समर्थित सरकार थी, कांग्रेस और उनके सहायक दलों की सरकार थी। सन 2002 से मोदी जी की क्रेडिबिलिटी को ध्वस्त करने की चेष्टा आपकी माताश्री और आपकी पार्टी लगातार कर रही है।
ये अदानी फोबिया से ग्रसित हैं। इन्हें कभी राफेल में माफी मांगना पड़ा, मोदी जी को गाली दिए, उसमें माफी मांगना पड़ा। जो लिख के दिया है वो बोल रहे हैं।
It seems Congress can go to any extent in order for their virod. They can even descend to Desh Virod. And now in abusing one group, they will abuse the country itself. And that too before Parliament session.
For more on this, let me go across to my colleague Niyamika, who joins us live on the broadcast. Niyamika, politics has started in the country with Rahul Gandhi now demanding the arrest of Gautam Adani and Bharatiya Janata Party, in fact, linking this to the upcoming winter session. That Congress party always brings up something just ahead of the Parliament session. Give us more detail.
Well, indeed, as a question is being raised by the BJP regarding the timing of this entire issue, as they have said that just ahead of the winter session of Parliament, such kind of allegations are being levelled by the opposition, not just upon the Adani group, but also upon the BJP. And that is what we have seen during the press conference which was being held by the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, yesterday, as he has demanded that there should be an immediate arrest of Mr. Gautam Adani after such kind of serious allegations of bribery is being levelled against him. And not just about the arrest of Mr. Gautam Adani, he has also demanded that there should be a proper interrogation which needs to be done, because he has made this big allegation against Prime Minister Narendra Modi that at the end of the day it will be come to the light that in fact the Prime Minister is also being involved in such kind of cases, in such kind of allegations against Mr. Gautam Adani, because Rahul Gandhi has also given us this claim that it is being BJP which is continuously favouring the Adani group in various projects, and for that reason he has also demanded that there should be a JPC probe into this entire matter, because he has said that even during the Hindenburg report allegations, at that point of time when SEBI had investigated this matter, it was basically being brought in a very bad light that our institutions are not free, and that is the only reason why all these allegations which were being levelled by in the Hindenburg report against the Adani group, that was being brushed off by the SEBI investigation. And that is the only reason why he has also demanded that in fact the SEBI chairperson is also needs to be changed as soon as possible, as there should be one person who should be unbiased in a manner in which there should be proper investigation which needs to be conducted against the Adani group. When this question was being asked what all charges are being levelled by the BJP against the Congress party and the Congress ruled state governments, because this being said by the BJP leaders that in fact the Congress ruled state governments had also given mega projects to the Adani group in their respective states. At that point of time, Rahul Gandhi has responded that whoever is being involved in such kind of corruption cases, a punishment needs to be given to all of them. So he is not making any kind of statements against his own leaders, but he is saying that if the due process is being followed in all of these projects which are being given by the Congress ruled state governments to the Adani group, then it's fine. But if there is any kind of corruption that is being done in such cases, then there should be a punishment which needs to be given to all those people who are being involved in such cases, because he has said that this is something which is related to the image of our country, as it has not just impacted on the inflation as well as the monopoly which can clearly be seen in various sectors of our country, but also about the transparency. And that is the only reason why the opposition parties are all set to raise this matter in the upcoming Parliament session as well.
Well, absolutely. And that is why BJP is asking, in fact, questioning the timing of these allegations and the call for arrest that has been raised by Rahul Gandhi. Thank you, Niyamika, for all the updates. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this. Now, shifting our focus